Hey, hey! I hope you're well. I hope you're having a fantastic lockdown wherever you are in the world. And thank you for joining me in the Bookkeeper's Genie. So, I've been working hard in the background trying to get things built and get things up and running. And just having a few thoughts going through my mind as I'm doing some more market research into what's working and what's not. And to be honest with you, I wanted to do this video quickly, which was just to share a top class secret. So I'm going to whisper this because I don't want anybody else to know this. This is really, really big secret. And do you want to know what it is? So the real big secret is, and I'm going to reveal it. Drum roll, please. That if you're earning £50,000 and you work 1,000 hours, that means that you're earning £50 an hour, right? So get a calculator, £50,000 divided by 1,000 hours, you're earning £50 an hour, which I would say that is really good money. Well, that is really good money here in the UK, £50,000 for 1,000 hours. So if that's pure profit, fantastic, even better. Now let's tell you the secret sauce to really running a business and to ultimately finding your time freedom and the flexibility. And this is how we create scale and scalability. So when we're running our bookkeeping and running our accounting practice, running our service business, web business, we're running any type of business as an entrepreneur, typically we will be the ones that are delivering that service. So if we're charging £50,000, that £50,000 is coming to us. Now, yes, okay, ideal scenario, there's no expenses in this scenario. I haven't included any taxes or anything. But I just wanted to illustrate this to make a real finite point about the secret in business. Now, imagine you could buy 1,000 hours off somebody who's just as good as you doing the job, and they're going to take over doing the majority of the work. So they're going to do all of the back end work that you can't see, you can't touch, you can't feel, for your accounts, for your web development, for all of this work, all the work that you're doing that's taking you 1,000 hours to do. And now you're only going to work 52 hours. So you're only going to work 52 hours a year, and that 52 hours a year is going to be spent wowing your customer. Just 52 hours to wow your customer. It's the same £50,000 fee, but now you're paying somebody £25,000 to do the 1,000 hours worth of work. Now, how much are you earning? So if you get your calculator out, I think the maths is about £480.87p or something like that. If my maths is correct, for the 52 hours that you're going to work. So for that £25,000 you're going to make £480 an hour. That's £480 an hour, and you're only going to work 52 hours. Now, if you were applying for a job, which job would you apply for? Would you apply for the £50 an hour, 1,000 hours a year? Nice, 50 grand. Yeah, okay. You're going to earn more money. Or would you take the job where I'm going to pay you £480 a year, or £480 an hour, and I'm going to ask you to work only 52 hours? Which one would you take? And that's the secret sauce, really, is that we're in business. What we're trying to do is, when we're trying to run the business, be the business, do the business, be the owner, the manager, the technician, as Michael Gerber would say, we're trying to do all of those roles within the business. We're never going to scale. We're never going to find that true freedom, because our business doesn't earn money when we're not there. So if we're not there, the business doesn't earn any money. So if we're off sick because of COVID-19, and hopefully it's not a bad case, but if we're off sick, nothing. We get nothing, no money, nothing, because we can't do the work. Now, are the customers just going to continue to pay us if we're not delivering them value? No. But if we're paying somebody else to continue to deliver that value, do you think our customers are going to keep paying us? Of course they are. And if you're spending 52 hours a year wowing your clients, going above and beyond what any other accountant or bookkeeper, what any other service entrepreneur is doing, do you think you're going to be offering a better service. Of course you are. Because you're dedicating 52 hours to concentrate on the value that you're giving to your customers rather than concentrating 1,000 hours on delivering the work that they're paying for. Does that make sense? Like it's and that's the secret sauce. That's the Timothy Ferriss 4-hour work week. That is the whole concept behind what Timothy Ferriss talks about. He's talking about scalability and how if you say to yourself you've only got 4 hours to work in a week and you need to earn a certain amount of money a year, then a certain amount of money each week to then pay your bills and live the life that you want. And then the other thing I want to share with you as well is to get you thinking about this is, okay, you might be saying, well, okay, on scenario 1 I'm going to get £50,000, on scenario 2 I'm only going to get £25,000, but then you've got all this free time. So what I want you to do is really dig deep and be honest with yourself. Is this really what you're looking for? Do you really want your time? If you really want your time, you've got to let go. You can't keep doing the work yourself. Let some of the tasks go. Do it one task at a time, create a system and process, and outsource it away. Just scale it up.